Lord Mayor of Bradford. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, it's my pleasure to be here at the 9th Bradford Classic. What an absolutely fabulous turnout, both of vehicles and from the general public. Thank you for being here. It really is a spectacular event, and I understand obviously the 10th year next year is going to be very special indeed. So I obviously may not be Lord Mayor at that time, but I'm certainly going to be coming back and having a look at the cars on view then. But thank you for taking part. I've seen some absolutely fabulous cars. Thank you for looking after them, because they're part of our history and part of our heritage. And some of the cars I've looked at, I've lusted after in the past and wanted. Some of the cars I've actually owned, so it's lovely to see those again. And they really are fabulous. Some of the vehicles, of course, were built locally, which is also very good. But thank you very much for being here. Now let's get on with telling those people that have won just where they've come. Thank you.
So as we said earlier, we've got the Lord Mayor's Choice, we've got the Best in Show, and we've got the runner-up for Best in Show. First of all, I'd like to announce the Lord Mayor's Choice is the Jowett, the locally made Jowett that's over by Nando's. So congratulations, that's the Lord Mayor's Choice.
And it says LM's winner.
Oh,
very well done.
Thank you very much.
Very well. And I have something else for you, which is a pair of civic cufflinks.
Oh, brilliant.
And I'll tell you what they look like. They look like those.
Oh, fine.
So
I'll wear those with pride.
that's a personal gift. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Very well done indeed. Fabulous.
Round, and the Best in Show is the Volvo P1800. Well done.
Well done. Very well done. Thank you very much. Very well done indeed.
Okay, thank you. And finally, the runner-up Best in Show, we have gone for the great big green Bentley right in the Centenary Square. So well done, very well done. So just before you go, fantastic. We've had a record number of entrants, we've had a record number of attendees for a one-day event. We've had the Rallying Group B guys down here, and some of the cars that they've brought down have been fantastic, and we've had the traditional classic performance, so we've had a bit of everything for everybody, and a few activities for the children as well, the climbing wall, the face painting, a live band on stage, perfect, and even the weather's held out for us. And next year will be the 10th year of the Bradford Classic, so to celebrate the 10th anniversary we're going to have a static day again on the Saturday, the same weekend as this one, and then on the Sunday we're planning on a Group B rally demonstration in one of our local parks. So watch our Facebook, the Bradford Classic, for more information, but we're expecting that to be immense.